respected Director Sir, CEO Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, Administrative Officer Sir, teachers and all my dear peers. My name is Naomi Adair Prasad from Standard 9B and I am here today to present my self-written poem, The Leader's Flame. A leader walks where none have gone, with a steady heart from dusk to dawn, not chasing crowns or fleeting flames, but lighting lives, a quiet flame. They see beyond the world that is, to shape a vision, what life still is. They lead not loud, but bold and fair, and they lift with hands that truly care. They've faced the storms, they've stood alone, they've carved a dream from dust and stone. Where once the sky met barren land, now stands a vision, proud and grand. Where empty fields once met the air, now rises a school that dares to care, not just with books or bricks or bells, but with hearts that guide and hope that dwells. A leader plants what time can't steal. They shape not clay, but souls and will. They held a mirror to the sky and taught the young ones how to fly. They show us how to choose what's right, to walk with truth, to lead with light, to lift the weak, to stand up tall, to lead with love that touches all. Today we gather, heads held high, to honor one who reached the sky, whose dream still burns, whose voice is near, and in every step we boldly take, we walk a path he chose to make. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। मैं देवांशु सिन्हा, कक्षा 10वीं का छात्र, यहाँ उपस्थित आदरणीय निदेशक महोदय, मुख्य शैक्षणिक अधिकारी, प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, प्रशासनिक अधिकारी, समस्त शिक्षक वृंद एवं मेरे सहपाठियों को मेरा शताभिनंदन। आज संस्थापन दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मैं हमारे माननीय अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के द्वारा रचित एक कविता जिसका शीर्षक है कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा प्रस्तुत करता हूँ, जिसके बोल कुछ इस प्रकार हैं। बाधाएं आती हैं आए, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पाँव के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों से हंसते हंसते कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। हाँ सुरदन में तूफानों में, हाँ सुरदन में तूफानों में, अमर संख्यक बलिदानों में, उद्यानों में, वीरानों में, अपमानों में, सम्मानों में, उन्नत मस्तक कुबरा सीना पीड़ाओं में पलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। उज्यारे में अंधकार में, कल कछार में, बीज धार में, घोर घृणा में, पूत प्यार में, क्षणिक जीत में, दीर्घ हार में, जीवन के सच्चत आकर्षक अरमानों को दलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। सम्मुख फैला अमरध्ययी पथ, सम्मुख फैला अमरध्ययी पथ, प्रगति चिरंतन कैसी इतियत, सुस्मित हर्षित कैसा श्रमश्लथ, असफल सफल समान मनोरथ, सब कुछ देकर कुछ ना मांगते पावस बनकर ढलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। कुछ कांटों से सज्जित जीवन, कुछ कांटों से सज्जित जीवन, प्रखर प्यार से वंचित यौवन, नीरवता से मुखरित मधुवन, पर हे तर्पित अपना तनमन, जीवन को सच्चता होती में जलना होगा, गलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। धन्यवाद।
बूंद बूंद मिलके बनी लहर और लहर हमें प्यार की सेवा। जब भी कहीं गिरने लगे तूने संभाला। ओ सर्वधर्म समन्वयम समन्वयम समन्वयम। ओ बूंद बूंद मिलके बने लहर और लहर, लहर लहर मिलके बने सागर, वो बने सागर, वो बने सागर। दूर पास तेरी दया मिलती निरंतर, भरते रहे अपने मन की गागर, वो मन की गागर, वो मन की गागर। बूंद बूंद मिलके बने लहर और लहर, लहर लहर मिलके बने सागर, वो बने सागर, वो बने सागर। दूर पास तेरी दया मिलती निरंतर, भरते रहे अपने मन की गागर, वो मन की गागर, वो मन की गागर। सर्वेरना सुखिनो भवन्तु, सर्वेरना सुखिनो भवन्तु, सर्वेरना सुखिनो भवन्तु।
Good morning and a very happy Founders Day to everyone present here. I am Palak of Standard 10B.
And I am Prachi Shri of Standard 10B.
Today, we are not just celebrating the existence of a school, we are celebrating a vision. A dream that was sown years ago by our founders has now blossomed into a space where thousands of students learn, grow and shine.
It's a day to honor the dedication, passion and leadership of the people who brought it to life. Among them is our beloved director, sir, whose birthday we celebrate today with joy and gratitude. Sir, we wish you good health, happiness and continued inspiration in everything you do. Happy birthday, sir.
It's now time for a little conversation with the very people who turned an idea into this incredible institution.
So, let's get started and dive into this series of questions. We'll start with you, sir. Remember to answer honestly and with a smile. Sir, we haven't had much chances to interact with you. So on this special occasion of Founders Day, we'd love to get to know you a little better. Could you please share a few memories from your school life? Also, was there a teacher who left a lasting impact on you?
Well, in primary section, I went to government school, and then I was shifted to a private school, and I used to go to school with rickshaw, the special rickshaw like covered box like that. I used to go to school with that. And about 10 to 15 students, we were sitting in that long rickshaw. And actually, when I went to school, I was good in math because of my math teacher. And my math teacher was very good, and he explained everything very well. I like to tell about one incident. When class 9 examination was going on, it was math paper, and whole class was sitting, and 2 hours time was there, I solved all the question in 1.5 hour. And I deposited to the teacher and I went out. But after a few days, my math teacher said, "You have not submitted your paper. You have not submitted your paper and you took your paper away." And I said, "No, I have submitted my paper." And my math teacher knew that I was good in math. So what happened in those days, this math teacher he called about 2-3 students to help him to correct the paper and total this thing. Then I found that my paper is there, 4 page, the booklet was there, 2 page inside my booklet was there, and on top 2 page, top and last page, someone else's name is written. What that person did, somehow he managed to take my paper and take out one page, first and last was together, and put his name on the first paper. And then I said, "Sir, this is my paper, this is my handwriting." And then it came to know that this boy has taken my paper. So this kind of thing also happened, which is still registered in my mind. This memory was there. That was my school days in class 9. Pardon? Teacher, I told about math teacher. He was very impressive, helpful, and he used to answer all our queries and he used to help. So this was my school time. I told in a few words. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for opening up with such warmth. As we know that you shared your favorite subject was maths. Would you like to give some tips, because students are nowadays fear maths? Would you like to share some tips, sir?
Actually, you don't have to fear math. You have to remember all the formulas and keep practicing every day. When I used to practice and I could not solve a math, I never gave up. I kept on trying till I succeeded. So don't get frightened with math. It is very simple. If you use your reasoning and you keep solving, practicing, and when you need help, ask your teacher. Because math is, I understand for few people it is very difficult, but if you reason and you think over that, it is very easy. Simple math. Suppose you took 100 rupees to the market to do marketing, and you spend about 75 rupees. 25 rupees should be balance at your hand. Simple. If not that much balance, something is wrong. So you have to balance. You have to see. You have to reason that I have spent 75 rupees, 25 rupees is with me. If 25 rupees is with me, it is okay. If it is less or more, something is wrong. So you have to just reason that one. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are also lucky to have teachers in our life who help us in shaping our future.
हमें हमारे सूत्रों द्वारा पता चला है कि आपको घर का बना खाना बहुत पसंद है, और ख़ास करके मैडम के हाथों का बना हुआ। तो हम जानना चाहते हैं कि उनके हाथों की बनी कौन सी चीज़ आपको बहुत पसंद है।
I like to tell you a secret. She is a very good cook. There is no doubt on that. She makes everything very good. There is nothing particular that I like. But she makes South Indian food that is very good. Like dosa, sambar, and coconut chutney and other kind of chutney, which I really enjoy. And she is very good cook. That is my I bet you this is a very good cook. Thank you.
सर, अब हमें समझ आ गया कि आपकी ऊर्जा का राज सिर्फ आपके काम का जुनून ही नहीं, बल्कि मैडम के हाथों का स्वादिष्ट खाना भी है।
So now, it's time to dedicate a question to our Honorable CEO, Madam. Ma'am, the word Pentecostal itself holds immense significance in our life, but unfortunately, many of us are yet not aware of its actual meaning. So it sparkles curiosity in our minds, isn't it? Would it be grateful if you enlighten us with its meaning and how did you come across it? Please share us with the backstory.
Okay, the word Pentecostal. Penti means 50. And we Christians believe that on the 50th day when Jesus rose from the dead and he ascended into heaven, he said, "You will not be left alone, even though I'm physically not in this world, but I will send you my power and you will be powerful people." The word Pentecostal was mainly, I think, and it will, it's attached to a Jewish festival, Pentecost, the day of Pentecost. And so we believe that all those who are here, God has given us the power to excel. The school stands here because of that power which God has given. You may have your intelligence and everything, but it is God who controls your life. If you are humble and you acknowledge His presence in your life, the school doesn't just stand here because we are extraordinary people. It is God who made us extraordinary. It is His power that has made us extraordinary. Every individual, every teacher who stands here and walks in, let me tell you, every student who walks in this corridor should believe that I come as an ordinary person, but God will make me an extraordinary person by the power He sets through the lives, flows through the lives of people, your teachers. There is no one like the person you meet here today. You may change your school, you may go somewhere else and say, I think that's a better place. Yes, you may choose for yourself, but I want to tell you, you will never get the same person, the same people, the same kind of inspiration that you have got from your teachers, your principal. And so I believe, and both of us, we can still go back to that day when it was a paddy field and nothing was here, not a single tree. When I walk every morning and see the trees, the children are planted, teachers are planted. Today you have such green, and I think your principal has a great, compassion and a nature, she wants that lots of plants should be planted and so much is being happening. Why? God makes you creative. You can't do it. You can do any course and not be that kind of person. You are here because of the beautiful people that God has placed here. So Pentecostal, I believe, and so we both believe, and all our team members believe, that we have power to do greater things. That's what Jesus said when He went away. He said, you will do greater things than what I have done. I'll give you that power and you will move in that direction. So we always believe, not that, God came from heaven and said, okay, I'm making the school for you and you do it. No. He said, I will give you strength. I will give you courage. I will be with you till the end of your days. And today we are here, we are thankful to God as you celebrate Director Sir's birthday. I think I'm thankful to God that God has given him this life to sit down and see. We could have been gone, just made the school and gone. No, but God wants to see the reward. Today, each of you are sitting here, each of you are excelling. The way you are speaking on this platform, every teacher's participation is helping us to see what God is doing in this place. And I want to encourage you with this last line saying, believe in yourself and you are not here by an accident. You are not meeting these teachers by accident, not meeting Director Sir. You are privileged to see us physically. After a few years, people will see our name on the stone. They will never know our voice, never see us smile. They will never know who we are. They will only see the name on the stone. But you are different. You have an opportunity to interact. And so thank you very much for asking this question. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That explanation gave us so much meaning to a word we use every day, but we rarely stop to understand it. Now, Palak, do you watch cricket? As we all know, India's national sport is hockey, but Indians are crazy about cricket.
Indeed, I love cricket and I have heard that just like us, sir, you're also fond of it. Could you tell us who your favorite cricketer was during your time? And since nowadays IPL has taken over the hearts of cricket fans, we'd love to know which IPL team you support. Also, is there any particular show that you enjoy watching?
Kapil Dev, in our time, he was a great cricketer, and I used to like him play. And Chennai King is the favorite in IPL.
Thank you, sir. That was wonderful hearing about your favorite cricketer, and now we'll definitely remember you when that shot is played. अब ये क्वेश्चन हमारे निदेशक महोदय के लिए। इस ज्ञानपीठ की शुरुआत करने से पहले आप बंगाल में रहते थे। वहाँ की आपने सुख सुविधा भरी जिंदगी छोड़कर आपने बोकारो जैसे छोटे से शहर में अपने सपनों की नींव रखी और हम जैसे हजारों छात्रों को अपने सपने जीने का मौका दिया। तो सर, बंगाल छोड़कर बोकारो जैसे शांत शहर की कौन सी बात ने आपको प्रभावित किया और जो बाकी शहर नहीं कर पाए? क्या आप अपने निर्णय से खुश हैं?
Well, I was in Calcutta working. I was well. Big school is there, big building in Calcutta where I was working. She was working also in Calcutta and she was biology teacher. And so many doctor, a student became doctor while she was teaching. Still they are doctor. When I was in Calcutta, I read in the newspaper that Bihar is the last state in education. And I was from Bihar, place called Chapra. So I thought I should do something for the Bihar. Since Bihar was the last state in India in education, so I said I will do my part. And I planned along with my wife to come to Bihar and start a school. And then we came to know that Bokaro Steel Plant want to open English medium school. So we applied here and came and we started a school. So my main purpose was there to build the education system which I can do and help children to be educated and do my part for my state.
थैंक यू सर। आपके शब्दों से साफ झलकता है कि बोकारो आपके लिए सिर्फ एक जगह नहीं, ये आपका कर्मभूमि भी है।
Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for answering so candidly. You have not just shared memories, you have shared emotions.
And to everyone here, thanks for being such a warm audience. We hope you enjoyed this little window into our founder's mind. Thank you.